Consider two masses M1, that is 2 kilogram, and M3, it's 3 kilogram. Want to find the uh, center of mass, the point. So take this is the initial point 0, 0, and another point at here. The length of wire is 50. So the center of mass equation is m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m1 plus m2. So this is 50, 0, this point.